Pittsburg County is in court today over allegations he defrauded the county. 2 News Oklahoma's Douglas Braff was in the courtroom and learned he cut a deal.
So I'm just grateful that it's over, that we have resolution.
An eager crowd waited for former Pittsburg County Sheriff Chris Morris to show up for his arraignment hearing this morning, only for some special news to be delivered that he has entered a plea deal. I went to the officials involved to get a better sense of what this means.
I'm sure it wasn't something that he wanted to necessarily do, but in this case, it was a resolution of the criminal cases that were filed against him.
That's Jack Thorpe, the DA for multiple counties, with Pittsburg not being among them. He took on the case against Morris after the local DA recused himself. Can you tell me why you did that?
Well, because as the district attorney, I serve as legal counsel for all the other elected county officials, and that includes the county sheriff, so there's conflict there.
OSBI charged Morris with embezzlement last year, accusing him of purchasing a utility vehicle from a dealership in McAllister for personal use. Morris reportedly later traded it in and bought it back for the sheriff's office. But before the arraignment even began, Thorpe told us,
In exchange for a plea of no contest to a misdemeanor embezzlement, his 2 prior felony cases were dismissed. Chris Morris pled to 2 years deferred sentence, so he'll be on unsupervised probation for 2 years.
The chair of the county commissioners telling me Frankie McClendon will serve as sheriff until November 2026. That is, unless they can schedule a special election before then. Is this justice for the citizens of Pittsburg County?
I think justice comes in many different forms, but I believe it is justice in this case.
I reached out to Morris multiple times on Wednesday, but didn't hear back from him. I'm told Morris's next court date is set for January 8th, 2027. Reporting in McAllister, I'm Douglas Braff, 2 News Oklahoma.